What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Mylee Staicey, and guys tulisema kama K kama kawa hapa kwa Mylee Staicey ndio kuna bamba guys. Thank you so much for the love and support that you've shown me. We are at 61k subscribers my guys. Road to 80k subscribers. Tulishasema kitu yenye tunafanya tukifika 80k subscribers. I cannot wait to meet you guys. I cannot wait to give you guys a house tour. So keep telling a friend to tell a friend. Hapa kwa Mylee Staicey ndio kuna bamba. Mkienda ushago guys, iteni makuzo, ma shosh, ma aunties, ma bro, ma sis, make sure they've subscribed to Mylee Staicey's YouTube channel. So guys, today as you can see, I'm looking all cutesy courtesy of Magic Designers on YouTube guys. Tulisema Magic Designers wa hawabahatishi when it comes to trendy hairstyles and also the neatness. Kama me notice lens zao zinakuanga very neat guys. You can copy me this hairstyle, I don't mind. I want us to twin this festive season. So kimbieni pale Magic Designers. You can find them on Instagram or you can visit them at the in town CBD at the Bazaar M4. That is the floor they are on. Also you can visit them in Kilimani at Life Plaza guys. And atu ufike useme kwa reception. Nimekuja kushukua ile style ya Mylee Staicey ya Christmas and they got you guys. So guys, today as you can see I'm heading out. I'm just casually dressed. Nimesema badala tu niende, I owe you guys a video. Like squeeze na bambika cause unanisho support. Kila sana sikia tu nimepatia videos back to back cause yani guys, ni wale waseme. So nimesema because I'm going to do shopping for my house, nikasema why not give you guys a restock video. It's the first restock video I've ever done. I've never done any other. So mtani understand mali kidogo nitahata because ni ya kwanza, but guys I want to do this guys with you guys. Mtani correct kwa comment section. Kama kawaida, you always know mimi ndo ujibu kwa comment section. And then we'll see how it goes. Pole maybe, but I'm sure I'll not be that bad because I've done research kidogo. But just in case ni hati moja mbili tatu, we'll get better as we move guys. So guys, before we get going, let's kizungu inakatanga guys. Before I show you what I've shopped, let's meet on the other side. Unaambia nani B.O.B. Guys, what is my makeup in my vein? Who will be my vein? So guys, we are back, and guys, this 3 bags is what so 13,395 gotas. Maisha ni ngumu guys. Only 3 bags. Kitambo with 13k ulikuwa unaingia na boxes ka 10. True or false? But anyway, so guys, I'll just show you kidogo. Actually, it's more of a shopping restock. It's not just fridge. There's tissue, sausages, Red Bull, lazima. There's soda. I don't drink soda sana, so nezasema mostly I buy soda for my visitors. There's juice, orange water. Thank God guys, these are some of the things. Looking back when I was growing up, singewahi dhani nitaafford coffee jangu. Nilikuwa naenda kwa watu nasema, you just casually drink orange water on a normal day. But who is God guys? Because if I just casually drink orange water. Okay, there's Afia juice. Guys, it has a simple, but I feel like this 6-pack really comes through. It's not even expensive, 160 something. Anytime I'm in a hurry, I just grab it and I start my day. Because I mean, I can hydrate my load. First bag imeisha. Here pata sivitwa. So guys, there's milk. Hii imejaa snacks. snacks, there's coffee, white coffee. Kuna mtu amenibribe nimbaie Be My Babe. Thank you. I love Oreo. Hizi ni vitu za kusnack ukiwatch movie and when my siblings are around. Yo, don't worry. What you say? I also enjoy this pineapples like this. Hii nimepatiwa na offer, but it's too big, but it can stand for quite some time. Need chili, salt and sweet chili sauce. I'm a sucker for chili, guys. Napenda chili, kuna green chili. And then more juice. Mafuta ya kupika. Hazitoshei kwa counter. Rice. Napenda utu tunaibina as you come through. So guys, let me just toa kila kitu and then I panga what is needed in the fridge and then I'll get to show you guys how my fridge looks like. Msini judge guys. This is my first shopping restock and stroke fridge restock. If you get it, you get it guys. So let's do this. So guys, you're finally done. Nimeweka zile vitu zilikuwa zinanid kwenda kwa drawers, zenye zilikuwa zinanid kwenda kwa fridge, nimeziweka kwa fridge guys. Guys, mngekuwa mmeshanifikisha 80k subscribers, ningewapatia hiyo organizing and all that. Cause guys, saizi niko very careful. Saki kuonyesha the whole house. I'm just showing you guys snippets. Cause the house tour has to be major and amazing guys. Guys, yani guys, 80k ni kitu ya kunyima mtu surely. 80k surely ni kitu ya kunyima mtu. Ebu subscribe if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed. Subscribe. Tell a friend. Hapa kwa Mylee Staicey ndio kuna bamba and you're all witnesses. This is where you get the vibes and the what's not guys. So tell a friend. Tell your family members. Mkenda ushago as I said as I was starting this video. Wambini wa subscribe guys. Na expect kufika 70k subscribers by January date 5. Si mtakuwa mmetoka maushago, wenye mnaenda abroad, wenye mnaenda wherever, mtakuwa mmesharudi, mnarudi job. For those who are traveling guys, I wish you journey masses. May our good Lord take you and bring you back. Our guide, our protect, and our bless and your families. And I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2025. Niko sure by the time we're getting to 80k subscribers ama 100k subscribers, nitakuwa sasa nawafanya kila kitu na mnaiona in detail. And I've said guys, this is my first shopping stroke fridge restock and I love it so far. I feel like I've done such an amazing job. Nitapatia aka small tiny snippet of my fridge so that you can get to see when you organize vitu kidogo. If you didn't have an idea, you can copy from me. It's allowed guys. Enjoy. Mko ready? Niko shy. Okay. Let's get nervous. Only two guys. It looks so good. Imagine, yani Nairobi, this is all that. Ilikuwa 13k can get you. Hey, like any other household, lazima kukuwa na mabakisho kwa fridge. Nikushow mmeshaona ile rice pale. But so yes guys, that was my fridge restock. Next time we're getting better and better at this. So guys, till next time, mimi nasema goodbye and enjoy your Christmas. Tell your family members na love sana and I can't wait to have many more in 2025 guys. Now I love